What's going on, family? Today we're going to be making mac and cheese. Hope y'all ready. We're going to go ahead and boil your noodles until they're al dente. Okay? They still have a little bite to them. They're not soft and mushy. We're going to go ahead and drain those. Watch the steam. We're going to add our butter. Let that melt on down. And then we're going to go ahead and add our flour. And we're gonna let that cook down for a little bit. Get a little roux going. And as it cooks down, it's gonna cook that flour flavor out of there. That's what you want. We're gonna make a nice good cheese sauce. All right. So we're gonna let this go until it starts to brown. It's gonna build a deep, rich, nutty flavor. It's gonna be, man, it's gonna be pretty damn good. You can see it starting to brown right now. You don't want it to burn, but you want a deep brown hue to it. Constantly whisk. And that's the color that we're looking for. Now we're going to add our milk in there. Gotta refocus this. Man, look at that. Look at all that steam. Alright, keep stirring it. You don't want clumps. So just pay close attention. Keep whisking, keep whisking. Don't take it off the fire. Gradually add the milk in. Keep whisking it to get the lumps out. All right. Now you're gonna add your salt. Got your onion powder there. Got our garlic powder. Just seasoning. I like to season on many levels. Get your bougie pepper shaker out there. That pepper going. And this is the base of a beautiful cheese sauce right here. Alright, we're gonna let it boil down. See it thicken up. Taste. Now we're gonna add our aged Gouda cheese. It's almost 2 pounds right there. Get our pan ready, prepped and ready to get the mac and cheese mixed in. So we got our aged Gouda being mixed into the cheese sauce. We got half of the 4 cheese Italian cheese. It's about a pound right there. It's a lot of cheese in there. Make sure you mix that up. Get that cheese melted in there. Then we're going to add our macaroni noodles. Start mixing that on in now. That pan ready. Look at all that cheese and goodness right there. If that don't look good to you, there's something wrong with your eyes. We're gonna get that mixed in nice and beautiful. Gonna add some more onion salt to it. I gave it a little taste. It was a little bland, so add a little bit more onion salt. A little bit more garlic powder. Give it a little mix. Another little mix in there. Everything's coated. Make sure all the macaroni's coated. Our cheese sauce. Give it a little taste. A little bit more salt on there. You don't need a whole lot of seasoning in this mac and cheese. You don't need a whole lot, but a little goes a long way. Look how creamy that is. Let the family taste. Let them get a taste though. Gonna throw the finishing Italian cheese on top of that. Finish it off with that. And we're gonna grate our cheddar cheese right on top of that. And I wanna make sure and smother the whole top of this thing with this cheddar cheese. So we have the 4 cheese Italian, we have the smoked Gouda, and then we top it with our cheddar cheese. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Let me know if you have any ideas. And we're gonna throw this in the oven. Gonna make that cheese, make sure that cheese is evenly placed. Okay. And we're gonna throw this in the oven until the cheese is melted nicely. And here we go, family. Discovered flavor mac and cheese. 6 cheese mac and cheese right here. Seasoned up, delicious. Right out the oven, ready for you to eat. Hope y'all enjoy. See you on the next one.